Are you tired of eating rice, fufu, takeaway? It can be tiring and tasteless sometimes. Try this simple recipe. Full video is coming up to you guys. As you can see, it's fish ball, broccoli, bell pepper, red onions, and chili, blend together and cook. This is just Bogolo Wicks. It's so nice, guys. Pardon me, my pronunciation, guys. As you can see, you use spring onions for your topping. Always wash it. It's very important. And then you just top everything up with your potato and then fish ball, guys. So much simple recipe, and fish is so cheap as well that you can buy 10 pound. You can cook 3 meal out of it, just like so, guys. As you can see, this is my simple recipe. Check the full video. I will show you how to fillet your fish for the perfect fish ball and which type of fish to use for your fish ball, just like so, guys. Check it now.